YouTube was good. Oh man, your boy tired. It's like 5:30. A guy comes by, a soldier. He's like, "Hey, bro, I get off at noon today. I have a lot of properties to cut. It's a side hustle." He like, "I know you do rush jobs. Can you hook me up and have me ready by noon?" So he brought over his mower, um, bright and early. And then to sweeten the pot, he also gave me a riding mower. He said I have. He said he found it and it's all mine. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna wait till the sun come up and hit this mower, but he just came and dropped it off. I'm tired. I'm about to go back to bed. I'll get back to y'all in about 4 hours.
All right, here's the mower. 190cc Briggs & Stratton. Oh, this low tech. I love low tech. Let's see if the primer works. I hope y'all can hear the sound, but it's definitely, that thing is moving. Looks like a brand new primer. Spring's good. I can't loosen that. That's tight, so we're gonna have to shorten the length of his screw. But on first inspection, looks like it should be easy to fire up. Let's see. Okay. So it sounds like it's priming really good, but it's not even attempting to fire, no sputter, no smoke coming out. So we're gonna check the spark plug, see if we got a good gap. And if we got a decent gap, we're gonna swap the plug. Okay. Oh, it's not too bad. Gonna gap it. It's at 30. Yep, okay, we're good. All right, it's been gapped. Try to fire it up one more time. Nope. Okay, no biggie. So what you gotta do now is remove the two bolts, one here, one right there. The tank can come off now, it can, but there's a little hardware you want to play safe of, which are springs and linkages. So you got to take off your air intake. Right here, your link. This will keep you stuck on. So your link is connected to your card. So after you get it disconnected, oh, I think you got some flim flam going on right here. So we gotta check that boot out. But to get it off, pull. Bam. That's it. Oh yeah. Definitely need a cleaning, and I guess re-tape that. See what's going on, why that is taped. To remove it, you just take off your screws. I think it's 5 of them, 3 on the left, 2 on the right. After you get them all up, this one's still on. Slides right out. Doesn't look bad there. Oh yeah, there's crap in there. And there's gunk all right there. So all I'm gonna do is just spray it with a carb cleaner and hit this with a brass brush in there. Okay, so I used this clear well. I had to turn the light on so you could kind of see. It's the shiny part right there, up, going up right here. I would suggest electrical tape it the way they had it, but I'm all out right now and I have some clear well and I want to test this out, see if it works. Normally I would just electrical tape it. The individual who worked on it prior, this screw is too long, so I'm gonna cut it down. Okay guys, so while I'm cutting this screw, I look at it and it looks like it's the right screw, and then I realize this is the wrong airbox. The airbox is supposed to be like those. Like, the airbox is supposed to be like that. But we're gonna make it work. And he doesn't have his air filter. Okay guys, so now we have to install the gas tank bolts. Again, one right here. And one right here. Alright, moment of truth guys. Okay, I'm a little happy it's something else. It's not just a basic carb cleaner. So let's dive in guys and see what's going on. Okay guys, so operator air. I forgot to put on the throttle spring. Simple. There's a little hole like so. Bam, and then bam. Now we should get some better results. coming. Spot you in the next one.